Hey everyone, this is the second video of our Bootstrap series. So in this video we will discuss that what is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is an open source front-end framework for fast web development. It has some pre-made HTML, CSS templates and classes. The classes are used to format your web pages. It also has some pre-made JavaScript widgets and plugins that we will learn later in this course. Bootstrap provides mobile-first responsive layouts. In fact, its responsiveness is compatible with all kind of devices, for example mobile devices or tablet devices or iPod devices. So what are the advantages of Bootstrap? Bootstrap is compatible with all kind of browsers. You can use Bootstrap on any of the browser. Number 2, faster development. Bootstrap allows the developers to develop web pages fastly because we don't need to write CSS code to design our page. We just need to remember classes, and by using that classes we can design our page layout. Number 3, good for developers that lack designing UI skills. It is very good for those developers that does not have much designing experience. Easy to learn. It is very easy to learn. You just need to remember the names of classes and you can create your own layout with any kind of design. 100% responsive layouts. It provides 100% responsive layouts. There are two different ways to install Bootstrap. First, including CDN, and second, including files. So next is CSS Components. There are a couple of CSS components that are included in Bootstrap. Forms, tables, cards, list groups, progress bars, alerts, navigation bar and menus, buttons and button groups, pagination, media objects, utility classes and badges. There are also a couple of JavaScript widgets, for example carousel slider, collapsible accordions, models, tooltips and popovers. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.